You know who this is from?
Yeah.
Who?
It's mine too.
It is for you. It's from Auntie Simone and Uncle Grant. Wow. Okay, start ripping.
Okay.
Here, pull this one. Watch out. Mommy's got to get this part open for you. Okay.
Come look, see what it is.
Nope, that's Lola's. You got more stuff to look. Open.
Come here, Cameron.
Cameron, you're not gonna. Cameron. Yes, come here. You open this. Oh my goodness! What's that? What's that look like?
Cookie.
Yeah, cookie. Cameron, what does this look like?
A flag.
A flag? And what's that?
Turn it to the other side.
Look at that! Oh, what is that?
I know.
Putting green.
What is that? Golf?
Golf.
Yeah.
So open golf.
Well,
So open
I'm
golf.
gonna open it.
I go harder, okay? I'll rip this harder.
Yeah.
Woo!
Cool.
Hold on. Hold on, we got more in here.
Woo!
Oh, what's this? Hold on, there's more in here. Wow.
You gotta set it up first, bud.